When I say it's not, bro, it's not shedding. If you are looking for a glueless wig, look no further, because this is the one that you need. I mean, look at this hair. It's super soft, it's really bouncy, it holds a curl, and it does not shed. What more do you need? Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ubi Ogulu and I hope you enjoy this video. I've got a hair video for you guys today. We're going to be doing a first impression and a review of a wig that I received from a company called NYX Hair, or NYX Hair. We'll call them NYX. This is the package that the hair came in. This is a 5x5 Gluess Wig for the girlies like me who don't want to be laying your hair down every single time. And sometimes you just want to put on a wig, look like a brand new person, and head out the house. So, okay. There are quite a few items in here. There's this, which I'm thinking is either a melting band or just a sweatband. We will see when we open it up. There is an edge brush, which I actually needed a new one, a pair of lashes, and a spoolie. And these lashes are actually quite cute. They're actually quite cute, okay? And there's also a wig cap, but these are just the extras, okay? These are not the main star of the show. The main star of the show is this 14 inches 5x5 Glueless Wig, which we're opening up now. And this is what it looks like so far. I'm actually quite excited. I like the way they packaged it, you know. Oh my gosh. Just take the net off. I have never seen a wig come packaged like this, so I'm loving it. They've actually pinned the closure down to this thing. I guess that's to help it retain its shape. We're gonna take that off. It also has an adjustable elastic band in it, so you can literally pull on this and make it tighter. This is the hair. Okay, I'm able to run my hands through it, and there's like, okay, I just got one tiny little piece of hair, but there's nothing in there. So in terms of shedding, we will say this hair is literally not shedding, because that was just like the one piece. There's nothing. It's not shedding. Oh my gosh, yes, exciting. This is the lace 5x5. This looks more like the wig cap that I would use for when I'm doing like the bald cap method. So I'm gonna save it for that. And I'm gonna use just a regular black wig cap to match my own hair's color before I put this wig on. Let's see. I feel like I could definitely make it tighter. But this is so pretty, and the hair is so soft. I'm so shook. Oh, yes, we like that. First impressions, this hair is really, really soft. It moves, okay, and it's not shedding. For me, I feel like it's hitting the mark. The only thing I need to do now is cut the lace and probably add some foundation to the parting as well as to the actual lace, because I'm not getting this tinted. I'm starting with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 450. I'm going to pop a little bit of that behind my hand and then dab that with my foundation brush before putting it on the lace, so that I don't put too much product on the lace. And this is what it looks like. I'm then going to pop the wig back onto my head, and this is where I will continue styling and customizing my wig. I'm going to start off by putting the hair away because I want to lay the lace as flat as possible so it doesn't look bulky. Using my Heat Protect spray because I want to protect the hair
before applying heat because this will make the hair last for much longer. I'm using my hot comb to press the lace down to help it lay flat. I'm then going in with my wax because this will also help with laying the hair flat as well as keeping all the flyaways in place. And to get this to melt, I'm using my hot comb again. And then once this process is done, I'm going to make my center parting more prominent because you can see it's not really popping over here. So I will first tweeze it a little bit to make it stand out more, and then the icing on the cake is using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. And once this is done, you'll be able to see the center parting looking like a center parting. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I started cutting it using my face shading stick, but it just was not doing the things. So I ended up switching to my mini pair of scissors, which you can get in a manicure set. And this made this process a lot smoother. What I will say with cutting your lace is make sure you do not cut it in a straight line, but rather in a wavy / zigzag line because it will make the lace look so much better when you're done. Then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Face setting powder, and this powder is in my shade, so it makes the lace look even more seamless when I'm wearing it. Now we're going to style the wig, and of course I'm going to use some Heat Protect before I go in with my curling wand, and I'm just going to curl the hair in this exact way. All the styling tools that I've used for this step I have linked in my Amazon storefront, which you will find in my description box. To hold my curls, I am just going in with some Got2b because this will make the curls last even longer, and then I'm just going to comb it out and show you guys the final look, which I think is super cute, but you can tell me what you think.
Okay. Yes, we like her. Child, what do you mean? Nobody can tell me anything. Nobody can tell me anything. Because how cute is this hair? Oh my gosh. Yes. And I feel like that was relatively easy to customize, and I barely did anything. I really like the hair. It's super soft, it's super bouncy, it's very easy to install and customize for me as someone who is not the best when it comes to doing wigs. But by the end of the year, that is going to change. Best believe that by the end of the year, I'm going to be wig girly too. As you can see, the hair holds the curls really well. From the first curl that I did, it stayed. It did not move. Okay, I just put the Got2b to give it more longevity of the curls, but as you could see, it came with some curls in it already. But this is generally how I do my curls. This is the hair, this is the look. What do you guys think? Personally, I love it. This is gonna be my hair for the day. Or for the week, probably for the week. I'm probably gonna rock this hair this week. Because I got stuff to do this week. The hot comb that I used is linked in my Amazon storefront, as well as the curling one that I used. The curling one comes with the gloves, so all of that stuff are linked. The heat spray, everything that I've used on my hair in terms of like products, the Heat Protect / straightening spray, the wax, it's all linked in my Amazon storefront. So you can just literally click on the link and check it out. It should be under the hair care section. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see the hair. It's really soft. Like, I'm not even playing. It's really soft. It's very bouncy. It holds the curl. It came with some curls in it that I don't know how long those curls have been in there, but those curls were still there. And yeah, the curls that I put in now, they're not falling. It's still bouncy. I can still run my hands through it, and this hair is not shedding. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it enough to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Love you loads. Bye. I'm so mature, I got me a therapist to tell me